Yes, coach. 2-1 defeat here this afternoon. Um, Four straight games so without a win. Sum up the game and tell me how you feel. If your team feel the team is hitting a snag at going down to the business end of the season.
I hope not. Of course, tough opposition, and we know it wasn't going to be easy today. Defensively, the opposition has been very good, and we are mindful of that. But I thought, especially in the second half, I thought we panicked. We rushed things, we just turn over the ball, we weren't connecting as we should. And those are the things I'm disappointed with, I thought first half we were very good. We weren't the best, but we were okay. And I thought we probably had, it wasn't a lot of opportunities for both teams in the game, which we know. But I thought in the first half we had some good majority possession. But our decision making again in the final third, or half the ball movement wasn't just as best as it could have been today. But we just have to put this behind us as quickly as possible because another tough one on Thursday.
But as I mentioned, coach, you were missing for the last two games, I think. Now we're back. Is the performance a concern to you? Is there any concern at all in the team as you move forward?
Of course. If you don't win in 4 games, it has to be a concern. That's how serious I approach it. But whatever it is, we have to find it and we have to deal with it and solve it as quickly as possible.
What are the positives from this game? As I say, I look forward to remaining matches.
Positive, we didn't give up many looks, opportunities at goal. I didn't think they got behind us as much. And Shavana Willis in the centre back, that was a positive. Just give us another option again because we are a little bit vulnerable there. So him completing, finishing 90 minutes is another positive.
And how disappointing was that goal, coach?
Immediately after we get the equalizer, we as if we shut off, and we just allow them to run from over his half and come and score. We have to defend better, and if we see that we are in trouble, we have to stop them from early. And I didn't think we defended during that moment. And of course, most teams are vulnerable to be scored on, in that period when you just score, but. We have to fix those things, and moving forward, we just have to move on and put this behind us as quickly as possible because it's not going to get easier on Thursday either.
Okay. We play Thursday, coach.
Mount Pleasant.
Oh, big matchup that then, coach. Tell me.
Yeah. All the games down the stretch are going to be big matchups, to be fair. Those who aren't fighting for top 6 are fighting to stay up in the league. So, it's almost like there's, earlier I said there's probably 3 competitions. A couple fighting for first and second up the top. Then another 4, 5, 6 probably fighting for being the top 6, and then everybody else fighting to stay up. So that's where it is. So no game's gonna be easy down the stretch.
Mount Pleasant, as I said, not letting up coach, and I say you're still aiming for the top 2. Or you fix things and get this team ready to take on that challenge.
Yeah, we have to look at it again. Discuss some of the positives that we did today. Areas that we think we have to fix. We're going to face that opposition, a different opposition. They're going to be a little bit different to deal with, and they can be a handful. But we have to find means and ways to score and stop teams from scoring on us, and that's where we have to do our stoppage.
Coach, respect.